In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day with Systemes.io. Now, if you don't have a product, that's fine. I'm going to show you where you can get a product. It's called affiliate marketing, where you promote somebody else's product. When it sells, you get paid a commission. So we're going to go over here to one of the biggest and probably the original affiliate website where people list their products and allow you to sell them. So it's called ClickBank. Now, if you haven't got an account, I won't go into setting that up, but you can go through and do that. As you can see here, just sign up, pretty straightforward. Some countries can't sign up, but there are other options as well. Now, once you've signed up, you can go over here to the marketplace, and we're just going to look at top offers. And you can have a look through all these different categories here and choose a product. For this video today on how to make $100 a day with Systeme.io, I'm going to pick a product in health and fitness. Now, what I want to do is I want to filter this by gravity. Now, some of these products will go from highest to low. You can see that product there had a gravity of 700, which is fairly, competitive, which means you're competing against all these other affiliates that are promoting it as well. So what gravity means is at least 770 odd other affiliates have made at least one sale in the last month or so. So we're just going to go down here, and I'm going to find a product that's got a gravity of around 100 or so, which means it's still selling. And product I'm going to choose for this tonight, or for today, for this video, is Quieten Plus. It's about tidiness. Now, if you've got this problem, you've probably experienced ringing in the ears or noises in, maybe one or both of your ears, and it can be really, really annoying. So here's the sales page for this product. It's called Quieten Plus. Now, it's a natural treatment, and it's a supplement that they're selling. So we're going to promote this product, and you get $120+ per sale. So we're going to go over here to their affiliate page. Now, it's important that you read this because it gives you a lot of details, but also so you don't promote it the wrong way, so you don't come foul of them and get banned from being able to promote it, because it can be quite profitable. All right, so go through this, you'll read it, and create a hop link, which is your unique link that we're going to use, so when someone clicks on that, when they buy, you'll get paid. So now what we need to do is create a landing page, because if you're going to use paid advertising, they won't allow you to, or they don't want you to direct link to the product, and more that's happening even with products, organic traffic, because you want to have the best opportunity to sell this product. And one way of doing that is being able to collect emails and then send them more emails with more details about the product, and as a result of that, you'll get more people that purchase. All right, so we're in the dashboard here, and we're going to go over here to funnels. Click on funnels, and then we're going to go to create. And I've already started here, but I'll show you what I did. So we go back. Okay, so I just realized that I didn't start the recording. Now, there were some other things on here. All we want is this section here. There's a lot of other parts here that I've already got rid of. So we want this section here, this section here. We'll take out the words and that were up here, and I'll show you how you could have done that. So you go down here, and you just click on the waste paper basket to delete a section. Again, create that, and then we're left with this. Now down here, it also had I think on the basic one, on the original one, it had a thing created by Systeme.io, which you've already got here. Now, to get rid of this, all you need to do is do this. All right, so we want to save the changes. Now we've got rid of those other things. If you want, you can go and preview it to see what it looks like now. Pretty well, that's what it looks like. And then I'm going to show you how to change. This is what we call a head, and the bottom will show you how to change that as well. So we'll close that because it's only a preview. We'll go back to the editor. All right, so now we're going to go back to, you'll also see up here, I've got a few, these are Chrome extensions. This one's called a color pick eyedropper, and it's quite handy. So what you can do, you just go and search for Chrome extensions and you can download this one. What I'm going to use it for, I want to make this look very similar to the sales page. So what I'm going to do is I use this color picker and I'm going to go here and I'm going to copy that. This is code for color. So the other page had this and I deleted them. So we go back here now to the editor. Now I want to change the color. So I click on that, go to the gear icon, and you'll see down here, I want to make this a little bit top, not the margin. You see, in a minute I'll show you, but we want to change the color. So you see that when we do that, it brings this up. And again, and we put that in this box here, click, and you'll see it's now changed the color. We go down to the bottom, we want to do it on that as well. My computer, the software I'm using, which is called Camtasia, sometimes freezes a little bit with when it's doing all these things. So all right, so we're going to do the same thing, change the color, put it in there. You can write it in, I just copy and paste it, hit enter, and you can see it's changed the color. I want to get rid of one of those bars there. Save the changes again. Oops. We also want to get rid of this here. Let's go over here. We want to get rid of this, so we click on the white section here and we want to get rid of that background that was there before, the hero ping, because it's PNG, which is just an image. So click on save. Now you'll see that that's gone and we're just left with this. Now to edit this, click on it and then you can just type in here what you want, and I've already gone ahead and done a little bit of this and I'll show you what that looks like. We'll just leave them as, leave this, put it, we could say enter your email address. We probably will do that. We'll just go here. It's where it says type your email. This is where you can enter. We'll just say enter your best email, your best email. You can see it's changed it here. And here as well, go here to the gear icon. Now what we want to do here, we're not going to use a thank you page, we're just going to use a single landing page. So it's send form. Now you could go to the next step, which is to a custom URL, or to the next step. We're going to go custom URL. Now, because what happens when they fill this in, it will then save the email and they're going to go to the video sales letter or the sales letter of the product. As you'll see here, you'll put in your affiliate ID, and I'm just going to put mine in, whatever you got when you signed up. Here, the default sales page is a video, and I suggest you use the video. And TSL just means text sales letter. So you see there, that's our hop link. So we're going to take that, copy that, going to go back to our editor and put in the hop link or the unique affiliate link. Now I didn't finish changing this, so let's go back here and I'm going to say watch this, change that to, so I scroll down a bit, I'm just going to change that to watch this video. Didn't quite. So what I'll do there is just change the font size a little bit so that it fits in there. Now save those changes. Now what we want to do here, let's just show you what happens now. Can we go back? Then it is opt-in page, view funnel step. We can get the link. There it is. Let's put in 223 at gmail.com. It's not an email, so don't worry about it. We click on watch the video and voila, there's the sales letter, the video sales page. Now back here again, so we want to edit the pages. Another thing I want to do, we looked at the page. Now what I've done, I've used a program called Snagit. Many computers have similar things. So I've just snipped that, and now I want to edit that to just create a little bit more curiosity. So then what I want to do is go over to another program called Photop. And what I do then is I drag that in here and I close that. Now that had some writing on it, but what I've done, if you have a look here, I've gone and I've done that, and then I've gone up here to layer, master, where was it? And then I've gone on here, where are we? Filter, blur it with Gascon blur, which gives it that blurry look here. Now I'm going to use another program, so you save that, and then I go over here to another program called Canva, which is free, canva.com, and then we're just going to upload that image, and I've already done it, so you'll have a look. I've got a few things here. Now before I did that, I wanted to get some curiosity on here. I didn't want to use the image of the product, but I've got the bottle. So what I did, I went and found like a question mark with someone on it. Now that I just did the same thing. I got that off the internet, but what I did then is I went over to another website called remove.bg. Yeah, I've uploaded that here. I'll do it again. You can upload anything. Let's say I did that. That had a background in it. What it does, it makes it transparent. As you can see, it's removed the background. Then I downloaded that. I've gone back over here then to Canva. I've uploaded it. Now, as you'll see, I go here to uploads. I've already uploaded it. And the background here, I click on that. It's transparent, so it'll go over the front of that and you can still see through it. I've put that over the front of the bottle. Save it. Download it. And then we go back here to our editor. We want to change this. We want to give some curiosity to it. Now I don't know what I've saved it as, so give me. We want to upload this image. And we click on here. We can drag it or we can select it. I'll just find it. So I've browsed, I've uploaded it. Now I just insert it. There we go to save, I believe. And there it is. I could play around a little bit with the size of it, perhaps. Image size over here. We could make it bigger, smaller, probably a little bit bigger. Just go here, save. I'm going to let you do this, but I just want to show you the functionality of how you can make $100 a day with Systeme without any products of your own. Save. Go back here. Have a look. View final step. Edit. Go here again. Paste it. Enter it. So it's a smart looking landing page. New scientific discovery that is helping everyday people to overcome tinnitus using only natural ingredients. I haven't altered this here. I might put something like enter your email address to get further details. It then says watch video. They click on, I haven't put an email, so let's put something YYY 22. You'll need to put an actual email address in when you're testing this so you can go through and make sure it all works. Click on watch the video, not a valid email address. All right, it recognises it. Graham Jury 22. And it's told me, what have I done? So let's say Henry Jones. They're getting very smart with these things now. They know whether it's a genuine email or not. Let's have a look. Watch the video. There you go. It opens the video and people watch that. As you can see up here, check that it's your actual unique affiliate link. They click on buy the product and you get paid. So that's how you can make $100 a day with Systeme. Now there's some variations of how you do a landing page. There's also another way that proves very popular recently, and that's called a survey, and I'm going to put that in another video. If you're interested in seeing that, just leave a comment below. I hope you've got value out of this on how you can make $100 a day. So one sale a day on average, you could make $100 a day with Systeme. And you can either choose a product like this or anything that you know about or are interested in. Go and do a little bit of research. Most of these products have a very good affiliate page, and they give you, everything that you need to be able to promote them. All right, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and we'll see you in the next video.